What's going on? Itwoo Gang and the Ultimate Warriors. What's good with you guys? That's my new name for the people who subscribe and who's going to be a part of this family from here on out. And this is a new segment that I wanted to add to this channel. It's not the main theme. I do have a new main purpose for this YouTube channel, and it's going to be mainly those type of videos, but there'll be sprinkled here and there videos like this, me showcasing shoes that I just bought. I just really recently got into shoes, so all the sneakerheads out there don't roast me, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to share this this part of my journey in my life because you know, I'm new to this, getting into shoes and everything. I'm excited about it, so get ready, man. We on a new journey, and stay tuned for the end because I have a special surprise for you guys, showcasing what I'm planning on doing with this channel.
The main ones I wanted to get. Oh shoot! One of these more than the other Lebrons that I got. So super happy about these. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. How we looking here? How we looking? That's supposed to be in there, like so. Alright, these are it, man. These look way different than what I thought they was gonna look like, though. At least this part right here looks a lot different. I thought that part was going to be white. That might be the reason why I got these. These might be a return. It's a possibility that these are a return. 'Cause I sure thought this part was gonna be white. This part right here, but still nice though. Still nice. Still nice. Let's see. Oh, I guess this thing came with it right here. I'm definitely not putting it on the shoe. Oh, yeah, I guess it goes with the laces or whatever. But yeah, man. Very happy to have these shoes, man. Definitely like them a lot. But yeah, I really thought this part was white. I gotta double check that picture and see it again, but nonetheless, I still like it a lot. I still like the shoe a lot. I'm trying to make sure that nobody's actually wore them yet. Yeah. Yes, sir. I guess it comes with these, this thing right here that goes on to the, I guess it's supposed to go on the top of it like that. It's supposed to go into the laces or whatnot. Yeah, I like this part right here. The bubble on the inside, like that. A lot. Yeah, my only complaint is that I thought this is gonna be white. But besides that, it looks good. And I also thought this part, the Nike, was orange, but I guess it's gold here. But maybe that's just my imagination. Maybe I'm imagining things incorrectly.
Stupid, I'm not.
Or how it looked incorrectly, but yeah, these are it. That's it, man. Dope. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I got him, baby. Yeah.
And with that done, I just wanted to share a small clip of what this channel is going to be about from here on out.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.